The continent of Africa has over 1 billion people, about 15% of the world's population, yet has 25% of the global burden of diseases, and worse, only 2% of clinical trials happens on the continent. Some view this as a challenge, but we see it as an opportunity to attract more scientific collaborations. The World Conference on Pharmacometrics brings together leading national and international scientists from various health-related disciplines, academics, industry scientists, clinicians. We're excited to welcome you to Africa, to South Africa, to the Western Cape, and to Cape Town for the third meeting between March and April 2022.
WCoP 2022 will be a hybrid conference which allows delegates to attend in person or virtually if they can't join us in Cape Town. Known as the Mother City, Cape Town is a gateway to Africa. Besides its remarkable cultural and historical significance, its world-class restaurants, its pleasant climate, the Cape is truly unique because of its location. It's nestled between two oceans and the towering slopes of Table Mountain, as well as surrounded by the scenic Cape winelands. Cape Town is repeatedly featured amongst the best places to visit in the world.
So the role of pharmacometrics in Africa is really to understand how drugs that have been tested in other populations work in the current context that we have here. Our main mission with WCoP is to take world-class pharmacometrics to Africa.
Since 2014, we've run hundreds of clinical trials successfully through the CRC, from oncology to pediatrics, and we successfully collaborate in Cape Town, world-class hospitals such as the Red Cross Children's Hospital and Groote Schuur Hospital, where we're standing. By bringing together our population and this incredible research facility, we have a track record of being able to deliver for our patients and the population that we serve.
So what we do is develop models, that's population pharmacokinetics and pharmacodynamics models, to interpret that data. I especially focus in using those models to improve treatment for HIV and TB, that's in special populations, because frequently these special populations are excluded from clinical trials.
We have set up mechanisms for harmonizing our processes, but also for collaborative review. We do anticipate, and we've seen this already, that as we apply these mechanisms, this will make us a lot more efficient as regulators, but also ensure that we can expedite the registration process for some of the critical medications, drugs, vaccines, etc., that our respective countries require.
The benefits for including Africans in drug discovery studies or pharmacogenetic studies is that we can actually find novel drug targets where we can then develop new medicine.
First of all, Africa is ready to contribute to health innovation. Africa has infrastructure. Africa has technologies. Africa has talent. What we need to do collaboratively is scale these things up so we can contribute solutions.
The conference will be hosted at the Century City Conference Center, which is a short 20-minute drive away from the CBD. The area and the city offers accommodation across all price ranges. The award-winning Cape Town International Airport has direct connections to all major global hubs.
The Cape is the #1 convention destination in Africa, and we have extensive experience in hosting large international events. For this reason, you can stay assured that all COVID-19 protocols and regulations will be followed so that everybody can have a safe conference.
One important goal with the World Conference on Pharmacometrics is to reach those parts of the world that have not previously been touched by this discipline. Pharmacometrics Africa is the hosting body for the conference. It's a not-for-profit registered in South Africa, and it's a platform for interested parties to launch open access clinical pharmacology trainings. Since its launch, the company has trained more than 350 scientists in this discipline.
For this reason, we invite you to join us for WCoP in Cape Town and play your part in taking world-class pharmacometrics to Africa. It will be a great networking opportunity with the world experts, and you can meet the local researchers and students that are keen to learn. And you can come for the science and then stay for the beautiful sights and sounds and flavors that beautiful Cape Town has to offer. And why not? Bring your family along. So come to Cape Town and see you in March 2022 for WCoP.